Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Earth. So here I am going to discuss about how you can enable auto update system in your WordPress website. So in by this it will enable your automatic update of your theme, plugins, and WordPress file. So you don't need to go to manually like every 15 days or 30 days to your website to update your plugin. So what is the use of these things? As example, so I haven't visited this website from last 30 to 60 days, and I can see updates are 11 updates plus theme updates and WordPress updates are available. So if in case sometime plugin or someone hacked of your plugin, so plugin owner release a update to fix the issue. Example, a few days back, I don't know if you have heard about Elementor Pro hacked by hacker. They use some codes to install backlinks and spammy backlinks to your website. So they have like released new update. So I haven't updated this one because I don't know that is not a automatic update. So I'm going to enable automatic update system. It will automatically enable in your website. So if in case any release or any update will come, automatically it will update your website. So now it's a very easy and simple step. Just you need to go to add new plugin. Now you need to search for easy update manager. That is very good plugin. It will in one click you can enable automatic update system. So this is the one I am referring. You just need to click on install. So you can see the rating of this plugin is also good. So you don't need to worry about anything. So activate. Now you need to go to dashboard update option. So there are many more options are there, but you don't need to touch anything. Just you need to click on so quick configure action auto update everything. So what will happen with this? This shows WordPress core file will be automatic updated. Plugins will enable automatic updated. Theme file also will automatically updated. If you are using any translation or multi language website, then that will also updated. So if you want to enable email notification, you can use this section to add. So in case if anything updates or any automatic updates run, this will notify you that automatic update is running. So this is the only setting you need to enable. So after this, your plugins and theme all will automatically update. So you don't need to go back to your WordPress dashboard to check if you need to update plugins or not. So after one day or 24 within 24 hour, this will update your all plugins and themes. So hope this will helpful for you. If in case you need any help, please feel free to comment below. I will ready to help you. Thank you.